Hi you guys, my name is Mariah Cook and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make breakfast for a bae. Okay, so starting out, for the filling for the French toast, all you need is some sugar, some regular sugar, some powdered sugar, some cream cheese, and fresh strawberries and blueberries. I cut up the strawberries just to make it a little bit easier to mash. Now, I don't have a masher, like a potato masher, but if you do, you can use that. If you have a food processor, you can do that, but I wasn't trying to do all that. But if you do have it, you can use it. So just mash it on up till it's really, really mushy. This is how it should look. You can go farther than this if you want. Me, personally, I want it like big chunks. Like I wanted big chunks of that, big chunks of cream cheese. You'll see. So yeah, so you add the fruit and the sugars. I would say it's about 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Okay, I'm lying. It's probably like three tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. All right, so right here I just got a Ziploc bag, and I'm just transferring the mixture into the Ziploc bag so I can put it in the refrigerator. Now, you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer and get it all nice and whipped, but me personally, I like big chunks of sour cream because it tickles my fancy, but do what you like to do. This is what it should look like. Just going in there doing my last minute little mushing. But like I said, if you want to use a mixer like the cake mixer, you can just make sure when you do use your sour cream, I'm lying. Do use your cream cheese that you do let it get to room temperature before you use it if you do not want chunks. Because if not, you're going to get chunks, or it's going to take you longer to mash it all together, marry it together, okay? So yeah, this is just a little last minute shabam. Trying to make sure everything, but my favorite, like I said, is the big pieces. You saw those big pieces of blueberries? Like, that's going to be fire. 1, when you eat it, and 2, when it's presented. Yeah, so I would say this looked like a whole lot of work. It really was not that much work. Like, literally, at this point, I was just playing with it. So this is how it looks. And you just go ahead and put that in the refrigerator overnight. If you don't want to, you don't have to. All right, so now I'm just making the mixture for the French toast. Now, this is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 egg, and about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Getting it all whipped together to let it sit there and do its thing while I cook my potatoes. All right, so this is unsalted butter. I got these little baby potatoes from Vons, and I cut them into 4. So, hot dog, hamburger, like cut it like a hot dog, then like that. Yeah, okay. Cut it into 4s. And I put onions. You don't have to use onions. And me personally, I put onions and garlic in everything. So I found this little pack, roasted potato seasoning mix, and it was like, I think it was on clearance for like 25 cents. So I'm like, okay, let me see how it tastes. But it came out really good, though. It's really just your normal seasoning. If you do not have this, or you cannot find this pack, I would use Slap Your Mama seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, some pepper, some thyme, or some parsley. Y'all, I put thyme. Why did I say parsley? No parsley. Well, you can add parsley at the end if you want to make it cute. But rosemary and thyme, if you have it. And then just do that. Just use that. You can use fresh rosemary or fresh thyme. If you did my lamb video, then you probably have my lamb recipe. Then you probably have some extra thyme or rosemary in your refrigerator. So do that. It'll be just as good. So you put it on medium heat. Put the top on it. Let it do its thing. So this took maybe like 15 minutes. So now I'm just cooking some bacon. Y'all know how to cook bacon. I put those little humps in there to help it turn better, and honestly it's way cuter on the plate. You gonna see it. And try to use thick cut bacon, y'all. Those little thin bacon, it's only like $1 extra. It's just, it'll look better for you and your babe. All right, so I got the mixture out the refrigerator. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do both, trying to open it and film. It was a lot. I broke my ring light, so I'm just trying to do it. So you just cut a little hole into the bag and just squeeze it in the middle of it. Now I'm putting the French toast inside of my little concoction. I don't do the top part where the opening is. Don't know why, I just don't do that part. So you add it into the hot butter. Make sure it's hot, not too hot, because you will mess up. Do it on both ends, on both sides, and bam, you're done. And then scramble you up some eggs, over easy eggs, whatever you like. And here is the finishing product. It tastes so good, guys, so good. If I were you, I would definitely cook this recipe for Bae. I feel like he would like it. 1, it looks cute. 2, it's super tasty, and literally it may took like 20 minutes. So what I did was I added whipped cream on top, fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, and just plated it up so cute. You can put parsley on your eggs. You can drizzle some warm syrup on top of it, or warm up some syrup and give it to them. I would like that. That's what I did. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and subscribe, leave a comment, and do a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. A lot of my cooking, random things I cook throughout the day or throughout the week is actually on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, Mariah Cook. I'll put the link in the description bar. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. Bye, guys.